Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing an unboxing video of a Your Creative Studio stationery box. I believe this is the November 2022 box, and Your Creative Studio sent this to me to review and unbox. So thank you to them, and let's get into it. All right. So here again is the name of the company. And some information. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Comes wrapped in this, what, oh my gosh, what kind of paper is this? I don't, anyway, I will definitely be using this paper in my journal. So first up we have some, and this is a true unboxing, so I will be taking things out. Oh, cool. These are like collage sticker sheets. I believe they're stickers, which would be super fun in a art journal, junk journal. I've recently gotten super into these kind of stickers, and so I'm very, very excited to use that. And it's like a little matchbook, which is nice because they all are there together. Whoop. Here I have, I think these are going to be florals, similar to the last little booklet. And, oh, very cool. Very neat. A bunch of different florals. Ooh, and they have like little vellum ones too. Oh, that's super fun. Oh, I love that. That's great. Washi. Oh, very cool. Okay, already there are two things I like about this washi. One, I like that it, and let me pull it. I love like the transparent look of it, and the design is beautiful, but also like this is an appropriate amount of washi. I don't know about you all, but I have washi that I can like never quite finish, and I feel like this is a roll that I would actually finish. So I appreciate that. And I'm actually there. This is super cute. It's like a little suitcase, but you could put like die cuts in here, or clips, or all sorts of little things, and it's really cute, and you actually could take it with you somewhere. Very cute. Some tabs. I'll pull them out so you can see them. So tabs are great for just about anything. Obviously, as a planner girl, I use tabs in my planner, but I also love using tabs for like interactive elements in my journal or in my memory planning. So these are really neat. I like these. And then, you know what? Let's just take it all out. How about it? I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so bear with me. Okay, move that box. Bye, box. Okay. Ooh, cling stamp. Okay. And the packaging is so, like, I feel like everything in here I could use, like these. I love these little envelopes too. I know it's like not part of the kit, but like super cute. Okay, here is the cling stamp, and I am a cling stamp novice, but I do believe you can just use them as is. Like you don't need a block for them. You can just stamp without the block. So we will find that out. Another cling stamp. Oh, so pretty. I love a floral stamp because I like being able to use different colors with it. So that will be super fun. Some stickers. Very pretty. They are matte. No, not matte. They're like they have a little bit of gloss to them, but they are quite lovely and very, very high quality. What do we have here? I guess we'll find out together. Oh, I don't want to rip the box. Okay. Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay, so there are a whole bunch of, oh, and there's stickers. Oh, lovely. So there are a whole bunch of like round circle labels in here, and there are I believe three colors. So you have this red, the blue, and the green. Oh, super fun. Oh my gosh, I love those. I will always love a label. Okay, next up is these are like paper sheets, so that like you could use these for layers in a journal. They're not stickers, are they? No. And yeah, these are great for layering or matting photos, or you could even journal directly on them. Love that. Very cool. And then giant sticky note. This is probably, this has to be one of the biggest sticky notes I've ever seen, which is kind of nice because sometimes I feel like sticky notes are too small. That's really cool. This would be really fun to journal on or add a photo onto, or use as part of a layering element. Some more paper, I believe, in 6x6 size. Let's see. Yep. So these are 6x6 square sheets. And we have a couple different patterns. I just love, okay, so this is the kind of stuff I love to receive because I love art journaling, but I am not all that artistic really. Like I could never make this, but I love that I have it and I can incorporate it in a layout or in a journal page or in memory planning. So super cool. I love the like little stamped elements in here. Oh, so pretty. And then lastly, some washi sheets, I believe. Let's see. Oh my. Oh, wow. Okay, there's 4 sheets in here. So you get several different designs and different thickness too, which is nice. So 2 of those, and then another sheet here. And these are, I think there's, yeah, so these are like way thicker. These would be great like borders. And then this sheet these are squares or rectangles, like little decorative boxes. Let me pull one off so you can see it. And size-wise, these are roughly like 2x3-ish, 2.75. So these would be great for like memory planning, like using in a memory planner or just really anywhere, but great decorative boxes. And yeah, so that's the kit. I will leave a link in the description of the video. I'm super excited to play around with this kit, and make sure to follow me over on Instagram because I will be sharing some spreads with this collection. Okay, a couple things after looking through and playing around a little bit with this kit. For the cling stamps, there is a backing on it. You need to take off the backing, and here's the backing for the stamp I have in front of me. You take off the backing and then it will cling, well, it will cling to a stamp block. So if you were unfamiliar with clinging stamps as I was, that's, I believe, what you do. And then you would stamp it like normal. Just like that. Also, these two little booklets, I at first thought they were stickers, and both of these are paper, like paper ephemera. Still amazing, and but I just wanted to clarify that these are not stickers; they are ephemera, like paper. Okay, enjoy. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.